Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to repair smartphones. I have years upon years of experience repairing high-end electronic devices, so I know all about this. The first thing you need is a proper toolkit and all your supplies. First we have solder, solder sucker, wire, cutting tool, small set of screwdrivers, flux, soldering iron, drill, tape, a 1 5/16 inch wrench, and hand lotion. The next step is you must take apart said smartphone. Today we will be repairing a Droid 2. To take this apart, you simply remove all the screws in the back and all screws in the access panel behind here. For that, we need our screwdrivers. For that, we need a drill. And now that you have access to the back panel, now becomes the repair work. That is where your soldering gun comes into play. Take your solder. I prefer 60/40. Prop it up, soldering gun, and solder away. Looks good so far. Now back here. Remember kids, there's no such thing as too much solder. Look at that. The camera screen's crocked. Yep, looks better now. Fill it up with some solder. Much better. More solder. Now that looks good. Bone. Now that you've repaired the connections, remove your prop device, take your 1 5/16 wrench, and lightly, and I can't express how much, lightly hammer it back together. Oh, a little bit more. almost together. See? Good as new. Works good too. Isn't that better? Until next time, guys.